Hey everybody, Al Pugliese Trains, the three amigos with Andre Konechny and Alex Kohler.
We're back! We're back!
And we got some trains to run here, so this is going to be an Andre runs, but Alex and Andre are running. So what are we running? What do we got?
Well, we've got one of Howard's fictitious railroad lines, Buffalo, Pittsburgh, and Wheeling.
Right.
And
that's cool.
That's hauling a coal drag. Those are the scratch-built coal cars that we've been working on, that Howard built 75 of, and we're just trying to restore them.
And I just had my Roy Limited Norfolk and Western Y6 2882 with a small mixed freight consist.
Yep, and that's the one we did a little announcement earlier on Bill Garvin's passing.
Mr. Bill Garvin, yes.
And again, our condolences to his family and everybody.
Yes.
And this Y6B was one of Bill Garvin's that he sold to Alex. So let's run some trains.
Okay, let's do it.
Here we go. We got double train action here. It's been a long time since we've had double train action. Upper and lower lines. Train greatness. Beautiful, beautiful. Just watching these two awesome steam locomotives on their journey. Man, if this doesn't boil the railroad blood, folks, I don't know what does. We pause it and we'll chase the other train. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Keep her going, Andre. What's the whistle on this puppy sound like? Oh, man. Just gorgeous. God. Yeah, she's going to take the back road. Steam greatness. Let's catch her when she comes out on the other end, folks. She's heading to Hess Falls and whatever, anything dead on white bread.
Yeah, what's in the trap? It's right behind it.
And today's cuisine at it's chocolate chipmunk. It's a special ice cream made with chipmunks and chocolate chips. It has a little bit of a gamey flavor, but it's delicious, folks. Chippy chipmunk ice cream.
What's in the trap?
Yeah, man. All right. And she's going to come out. Spectacular Hess Falls. Oh boy, I can't wait. Upper line or lower?
Line. We're in the top tier.
This is just beautiful. Here she goes. Man. Oh, we got a breakaway there. We keep it real on Al Pugliese Trains. Let's be like the real trains, and we're going to stop her, back her up, and grab her. Well, folks, the yard men here are aware of the train break, and they're going to send somebody out, maybe the brakeman or an extra crew person, to take a look at the coupler, see what happened, get the train to back up, grab the loose car, and proceed on its way. Well, now that we've got it, let's take off with it. We keep it real, folks.